Welcome to the Genius Olympiad Robotics application video. First, go to the Genius Olympiad website. Scroll down the page and click on the Apply Now button. To be able to proceed, you need to register first. In the Project section, select Add New Project. Fill in the required information accurately here. Make sure not to use any punctuation marks and use only English characters. In the Media Link section, you should add a valid YouTube link for the video you prepared for your project. You can check if the link works by previewing it in the Preview section. Then, proceed to the next page. Click on Add File and select Design Document I. To get more information about this document, you can download the Genius Robotics Field document from the Document section to your computer. Return to the Project section, and from the application page, you can continue by selecting the Edit button on the project you started. Now, after selecting the correct document to upload, locate it on your computer and upload it to the system. The next step is entering the student information. If you are entering a student who isn't in the system, use the Add New Student section to fill in their details. If there's more than one student in your group, add each of them here. The next page is only for certificate winners from Genius affiliated fairs. From the list, select the related fair and send a request. If you are not a certificate winner, you can move on to the next page. If you believe your application is complete up to this point, click Complete. You can check your information from the project homepage. The next step is the payment process. If you entered multiple projects, you can select them all and proceed to the payment page, or you can choose only the project you want to pay for. From the Checkout section, click the Pay button, enter your card details correctly, and submit. Now you are all set.